Yeah, hello guys. Today I'm doing this Excel document. I'll show you how can we analyze the Excel document using data analysis tools. If you don't have this data analysis tools, I can show you. First, you go to Files, then under Files, you go to Options. When Option shows up, at the Option tab, you can say Excel Options. Then you select Add-ins. Then it shows you this tab here edits. Then you go right at the bottom and it says manage. Then you press go. Then in here you will see you have your analysis toolbox. Your analysis toolpack will be a, and you can, if you haven't selected it, you can select both of them. For me, I already have. So yeah, when you selected it, then you can press OK. Now you have, if you now you can see that data set that the analysis toolbox. When you go to data, when you press to data on your tab. So let us start with our analysis of the data. So I have a data here. It's about three neighborhoods. Then there are three different neighborhoods here. How many offers made to them, their size in square feet, and if they are made of bricks or not, and then how many bedrooms and bathroom, and their prices are given here. And the size of the data set is 128 samples we have. So first we want to sort out this data set so we can have our proper analysis. So first thing I'll do, I'll replace yes and no's with one and zeros for the bricks. So what you can do is, first I'll take this, I'll select the bricks column and move it to this side. So it's next to neighborhood here. Then I'll insert a column before the offers. Here I'll write a new uh, for table where it will change bricks from 1. If it's no, it will be 0. If it's yes, it will be 1. It's BY, or uh, you can say brick, yes. And there are two ways to do it. One way is you can use VLOOKUP, where you make your lookup table. Yes, no. Then you assign 1 to that, then you can assign here 0. Then you can use equal VLOOKUP. Then the lookup value will be this, our, brick value, yes or no. Then our lookup array will be this. Then we index from column 2. You can see that. Then we want the exact match, it's false. Then just remember to freeze the cells, so we don't want what you call all these two cells to move, to change. We are done. Then you can close the bracket, press enter. As you can see, it's 0. Then you can drag the whole thing down. So everything is 0 and 1. Then I want to add two more columns for neighborhood 2 and neighborhood 3. So I'll insert again two new columns for neighborhood 2 and 3. So I'll call it neighborhood 2 and neighborhood 3. Then I want to replace those numbers. If the house is in neighborhood 3, it will be 2, it will be 1. If house is not in neighborhood 2, it will be 0. So the easiest way to do it is use if function. If, then I test the logic. Let's say I say my b2 equal to 2. So which is, if it's in neighborhood 2, it must be 1, else it will be 0. Press enter, then as you can see, I have a 1 because my house is in neighborhood 2. Then you can drag that down. Then it gives you the proper data there. Then you can do the same for neighborhood 3 equals if logic test. Again I select that equals 3. My value will be 1, else 0. Then we can drag that down. So as you can see, when there is neighborhood 3, then it shows 1. And when both of them are 0, then we know it's neighborhood 1. So we don't have to put in a new block for neighborhood 1. The system accounts for it. Yeah. And from here, there are different ways to analyze this data. Let's say there is a question: if you pay a premium price for bricks, for the houses that have bricks compared to for the houses that don't have bricks. So what you can do is we can you can select the whole data in one go, then do your analysis or something like this. Let me go to analysis data analysis toolbox. Then you go down and you select a regression. Press OK. Then your Y range will be the prices, because they are the, what you call, uh, dependent variable Y. Then your X will be your all your X will be all the other, what do you call, um, variables that depend on which the price is dependent on. So it's, is it made of bricks, in which neighborhood is it, how many offers made square feet, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms. So all of these values are, what do you call, uh, um, the independent variables. And we selected all of them. Then make sure you select label. If you selected the top row, so it will just figure it out, it's the label. Then you can press OK. So this is what is called multiple regression. When I press OK, then it gives me this data here. As you can see on sheet 1, and it shows me about the houses and everything. So from here we can figure out if we are paying a premium for the house, if it's made of bricks, or if you are staying in neighborhood 3, are you paying a premium also then? So how it affects the whole system. This, yeah, it's one way to, another way to analyze the data you can do it. You can select the table here, you insert, then you make, no, you select the whole table, cancel this, then you can make this part here. Select this whole part, this range, then you can make it a table. When it becomes a table, then you can run a regression only for the houses that are made of bricks. So what you can do is you can go there, bricks, you can remove 0 from there, press OK, then it will only show you houses that are made of bricks, right? Then you can go to data analysis, again regression. Our y value stays the same, our x value will change. No, our x value, or you can say even the y value will change that. You can just select this again. Then our x values, then the label is on, press OK. Then as you can see, it gives us some data if house is made of bricks. Then we can do the same if house is made, it's not made of bricks. And for that, again we can just unselect our 0 and you select 1 here, because we made it into a table, so it already filters out what we want and what we don't want. Again, data analysis toolbox, regression, select the price, then even for this, then you press OK. So as you can see, for then you can conclude comparing sheet 1 and sheet 3, how are the variables changed if house is made of bricks or if house is not made of bricks. And you can find the video, I'll share a video link that tells you how to understand the following data. Yeah, alright guys, then thanks.